In last episode of AllGen's Money Minute, we talked about the difference between term insurance versus permanent or cash value life insurance. Today we want to get a little deeper or more feet to the ground as far as what makes more sense for me when we're considering getting insurance, assuming you've determined that there's a need for life insurance.
So there's a big myth in the industry that you have to have life insurance for your whole life, hence the term whole life insurance. It's also called permanent or cash value, that's what we've been referring to it as. And we believe that's a myth, and most people don't really need life insurance their entire life. Let's say you get a 20-year term policy, okay? And term policies are usually 5 to 10 times cheaper than whole life policy, or a whole life policy is 5 to 10 times more expensive than a term policy. So you get the 20-year term policy, you reduce the amount of your payment per month, and then you apply that difference to whatever stage you're on in your financial walk. Let's say you're trying to build up emergency reserves, or you're trying to pay down debt, or you're trying to put money to retirement savings. You apply that savings to that area. And then you do that for 20 years. So 20 years from now, you should have a nice emergency reserve account. You should also have no debt whatsoever, even including your house, and you'll have enough built up in your retirement savings. So if one person passes away in that scenario, you have enough money built up where essentially you're self-insured. You no longer need life insurance.
So for the most part, yeah, there's always some exceptions, and we would always say, consult your financial advisor for a very specific analysis. But for the most part, we would probably say term insurance covers most of our needs as far as needing life insurance versus permanent.
I agree.
Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for our next episode.